Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into using Trello's progress bar for task tracking. First off, you'll want to begin by opening up your Trello board. The reason we do this is that this is where all the magic happens. This is where you'll be able to see your tasks and, more importantly, track their progress. Now that we've done that, it's time to create a new card for each task you want to track. Just click the Add a Card button, type in your task, and hit Enter. This helps us because each card represents a task, and tracking tasks is what we're here for. Next up, we need to go to the Show menu and select Power-Ups. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Power-Ups are third-party integrations that enhance the functionality of Trello. For our purposes, we're looking for the Progress Bar Power-Up. Once you've found the Progress Bar Power-Up, click Enable. Now, this is where it gets exciting. The Progress Bar Power-Up adds a visual bar to your cards, showing you how far you've come with each task. The final step is to return to your Trello board and attach the Progress Bar to your tasks. You do this by clicking on a card, then navigating to Power-Ups and selecting Progress Bar. The reason we do this is because the Progress Bar allows us to visually track the progress of each individual task. And there you have it. You're now a pro at using Trello's Progress Bar to keep track of your tasks. Remember, effective task tracking is all about staying organized and keeping your eye on the progress. That's all for today. Thanks for tuning in.